Back, I'll be showing you how to make beetroot night cream that will help to improve your skin, so stay tuned. So to make this beetroot night cream, I'll be making use of fresh beetroot. So I'm going to peel the beetroot. Beetroot contains vitamin C, which will help in skin repair. It can help to improve skin complexion, protect the skin from premature aging. So when I'm done peeling the beetroot, I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. I'm going to add it into the blender. I'm going to add a little water. This is optional. Then I'm going to blend until smooth. I'm done blending. I'm going to use a strainer to squeeze to get the beetroot juice. You need to squeeze as hard as you can to get the beetroot juice. So for the beetroot cream, I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice. I'll be making use of aloe vera gel. This will help to smooth sunburn, it will moisturize the skin, help to fade dark spots and stretch mark. It will also help to slow down the signs of aging. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to mix until well combined. Another ingredient I'll be using is vitamin E oil. I'll be adding about 8 drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize the skin and speed up healing process. I'll be making use of a 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Glycerin will help to increase the skin hydration, relieve dryness, and also allow the skin to retain moisture. So when I'm done adding, I will stir to mix properly. Beetroot cream can be used at night. You apply this on a clean washed skin, leave it to sit, then you can wash your skin in the morning. You can store this in airtight container and keep in the fridge. This beetroot night cream will help to improve your skin complexion. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.